Well, it's another Friday night down the lodge. It has been absolutely hammering it down all day. We even finished work early because of the rain. I've got down here, I've got a brew on. I'm all set up. I've been down here about an hour and a half, cut some wood. Well, I'll pan you around, here anyway. Well, it's all wet through out there, so I bought the setup, the outside setup inside. I've got the bench in, I've got some water boiling, and it does go out there pretty well. Like being in a teepee, you get, you know what I mean, you'll get the level, and I'm down here. So get some snap on. I have got some, I bought some Red Stripe. I've got some Woods Navy rum, Eccles cakes, cheating with tin taters, beans, star buy, top shop, 50% off, 50p. I've got some rump steak, and I bought some of these. There was sixpence from shop. The popcorn, 10-acre wasabi. Now they are a bit like sweet, cinnamon, spicy. Not bad. Anyway, I've got well, I've got all stuff in there as well. I mean, that's left down here. I've come down with MV. I've got some spice brandy in there, spice rum, sorry. Now it was some coffee, got some chocolate somewhere. Oh, I've got some chocolate there, look. Fire. I'm going to have fire about there to start with. That's all ready for going, that is. I've brought some of them things from work, cut them down, and it's just the gellet sleeping bag. That's how I look at it. Well, in here I've got some broccoli, carrots, potatoes, and cauliflower. Put some potatoes on, some steak, and get my dinner together. It's finally stopped raining. Well, that's what we're talking. Some steak, fried veg, some potatoes with a smattering of barbecue sauce. Well, time's going on, so I'm going to finish my drink. Get it down. Try a little walk around with MV's fast. Well, morning. It's running some heavy rain. It's not so bad now. But I was going to go home, pick Angus up and go for a walk up into Cemetery Wood and get some fat wood. But I don't know where I'm going to go. Just got myself some porridge on. And well, I don't know things. Well, in porridge, I'm going to have a few of these bits of popcorn. I'll see how that goes down. Well, it stopped raining. In fact, it's quite sunny. So I'm going to pick one of my dogs up, I'm going to go for a walk, and I'll probably get back here and in an hour or so. Leave everything as it is and get on with things. Well, I've been home, picked up the dog, we've been for a walk round Erin Colony, and I'll get that in. Just push that together. That'll not take a lot to relight. I've got a bag of wood, and gonna get on with things. Well, it is definitely sunshine and showers, so I'm just pottering around, being stupid. What I'm going to do with this here, I'm going to lat that out all the way up on that viscreen. I've been home, I've got some of my drawings that I've done over over the years. They're in folders. These are just the photocopies. The originals start off like this, photocopied, and then we'd gradually like add to them and colour them in. I had several on go at time. I mean, this one here was from 95 to 97. The hand that grasps the devil's grain. So I'm just going to hang a few of my drawings up and brighten the place up a bit. Dog's down. Well, there's the arch. I think that looks pretty good. We're going to get a drink on. I've made some windows as well. More about these later. These are all my drawings and doodles. These some of these aren't complete. They're just in stages of colouring in, but we call them windows. All chicken, cream and mash. rum coffee, and a scattering of barbecue sauce. Good morning. I just woke up with dog. Dog fox just come walking straight like dive. And look at this. Snowing. Last night after dinner, just got straight down here. Just laid on here and well, lights out. Anyway, I'll pan you around here. Dog fox just come walking straight past, straight on line there. Come on, Angus. It's snow at Camp Stupid. It's looking good. Well, I wasn't expecting this morning. Looks pretty good. Good covering. Gonna get a brew on, get some porridge together. I don't think dogs ever seen snow. Yeah. I don't know what to make on it. Pretty good. Well, snow's thawing. It's turning to rain. Dog's making a mess with bed. And I think I've just put fire out. Well, that's what we're talking this cold March morning. Some coffee, some porridge. Well, this snow has turned to heavy rain. We are getting bogged down, so I'm going to have a slow pack up. I'm not in no great hurry. It's about 11 o'clock, but my dog's making a mess. I'll pan you around. Well, there's been a good few birds passing through. Surprised at how many does get down here. We're just having that small fire outside lodge. I hardly burnt any wood. Just we're chopping them up into sticks. But we're getting bogged down. We're getting wet through. It's everything's thawing. Rain's here. This is a floodplain, and when it's like this, it just gets too muddy. I mean, look at the mess my dog's made on my bed. Hey, but I like that setup in here. I thought it was pretty good. Everything there. You've got your bench on your bed. Some pictures in it now. Anyway, it's raining again. I'm going to wait for the fire to go down, and we're going to shoot off. Well, March many weathers. We've had a good bundle this last couple of nights. But wind, rain, sleet, snow, and now again the occasional bit of sunshine. But in here, I'm all packed up. It's all waterlogged. All packed up there. Beautiful. It's been raining all week from work, from when I've got home. So I had a good look on YouTube, and I will say I've got 1,500 subs. So thanks a lot to all those that subscribed. I mean, I never thought a middle-aged bloke doing a lot of repetitive camping I'd get that far. I mean, it's really, it's just for selfish reasons I put my camps on, not getting no younger. But look at that beautiful sun. But anyway, I'm getting about 300 or 400 views as well each week on camp. Now, I do find that mad. Then because like nearly all winter I've been coming down here. Anyway, but gonna get my sack on. It's there. Have a steady walk home. So till next time. Bye.